This is our new VPC A31 internet appliance for our interactive panels. And what this does, this gives you now the Google ecosystem on your interactive device. And as long as it's running an OPS slot, this will plug into any brand panel and give you access to Google Slides, Sheets, Docs, Maps, and Google Earth, which is all used inside the classroom. We will give you access to our whiteboard software. This is built by VIEWSONIC. This allows you to import all your documents, but now with the EDLA device, we can split screen. We can add a website over here. Now we can draw, write, annotate. I can take items, copy, and then paste text right onto my whiteboard and continue to model. I can even bring in an image of the panel so that we can continue to build out. This is something very easy and intuitive that teachers already do, and we just simplified it for the classroom and their existing devices.